Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So if you look at it, we see this parking ticket data for cities A, B and C. It says the graph above provides details about parking tickets that were given out in cities A, B and C in the first 4 months of year 2023. So these are the 4 months, January, February, March, April, and the number over here gives us the number of parking tickets that were given out. For example, in city A, in January 2000 tickets were given out. For city B, in January 5000 tickets were given out. And for city C, in January 1200 tickets were given out. Okay, so this is the data that we have. Now we'll see the questions based on it. So the first question on this set says, what is the average number of parking tickets per month for the city that has the highest median number of parking tickets? So median is you arrange the number in ascending order. There are 4 data points. So the second and the third, average of that will be the median. So I'll just write the median for city A. For city A, the median will be, here it is 1800, 2000, 2200 and 2500. So 2000 and 2200, average of that will be 2100. So median of city A is 2100. Median of city B, if you look at it, minimum is 500, then 600, 4000 and 5000. So 600 and 4000, average of that is 4600 divided by 2, which is 2300. Median of city C will be definitely less than that because all the numbers I am seeing are less than 2000. If you want, you can find the median. The median here will be 1200 plus 1400 divided by 2, that is 1300. So which of them has the highest median? City B has the highest median. So we need to find what? The average parking tickets for this city. So the average parking tickets for city B will be 600 plus 500, 600 plus 500 plus 4000 plus 5000 divided by 4. Yeah. So this is 9000 and so this is 10,100 divided by 4. So 10,000 divided by 4 is 2500 and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 2525. That is 2525. So answer option C, 2525 is the right answer here. We look at the next question of the set now. Next question says, what is the median number of parking tickets for the city having the least standard deviation in the number of parking tickets for the 4 months? Now standard deviation, either we take the data, calculate it out and then see, that will be a much lengthy process. But we know that when there is least standard deviation, that means more or less all the values are together, almost clustered. Now if you look at it, city B definitely will have the highest standard deviation because the deviation are very high. The number goes from 500, 600 to the other extreme, 4000, 5000. So this is a huge gap. If I now compare city A and city C to find the least standard deviation one. If you look at in city C, the data is much more together, 1800, 2000, 2200 and 2500. So the data is much together. Even in city C, there is much variation. From 800, if you look at it, you go to almost 1500, which is double of 800. Okay, so smaller and the bigger value, the range is much bigger. And there is some fluctuation in data as well in between. Here range is also not that big in terms of percentage terms, and the fluctuation is also not that big. So city A should be the city with the least standard deviation. Okay, rather than calculating it just by looking at the data, I can figure out that there is least deviation happening in city A in terms of number of parking tickets. So it says what is the median for we have to find the median number of parking tickets for city A. So city A, we already calculated the median. It was 2000 plus 2200 divided by 2, which is 2100. So 2100, answer option D is the correct answer here. Now we'll look at the final question for this set. It says revenue from parking tickets is given by the formula. The revenue from parking tickets is number of parking tickets into ticket fine. Okay. Here ticket fine is in dollar amount and is the same for a city for all the 4 months. Alright. If the revenue from parking tickets for city B and city C are equal, okay, then ticket fine for city C is approximately what percent of ticket fine of city B? Okay. So I know that the revenue for both city C and B are same. If I find the total number of parking tickets for city B, first of all, that is 600 plus 500 plus 4000 plus 5000, that is 10,100. So it will be 10,100 into ticket fine of city B, let that be TFB. This is equal to what? Number of tickets for city C, which is 1400 plus 800 plus 1500 plus 1200. So 1200 plus 800 is 2000, 3000, 4000 and 4900 it is. So that is same as 4900 into TF of C. Now if you look at the options, two of the options are pretty close by, 106 and 103. Other options are very far away. But if you look at it, this 10,100 is almost kind of double of 4,900, slightly more than that. Okay. So if this is double of this, the ticket fine of city C should be double of ticket fine of city B. So or almost double of ticket fine of city B. So ticket fine of city C should be almost equal to 2 times the ticket fine of city B. Now the question says ticket fine of city C is approximately what percent of that? So if it is 2 times of that, it is almost 200% of that. Okay. If I say A and 2A, if you compare, 2A is what? 200% of A. Alright. So ticket fine of city C is almost 200% of ticket fine of city B. Only option D says that near to 200 as an option. So option D, 206 is the right option here. Alright. That's how you solve this question.